Hey everybody, welcome back to Craps University. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. We talk about strategies, we talk about some other stuff, but today we're going to do a kind of a challenge, and we're going to call this the field bet challenge. So every single roll we're going to take $500, okay? We'll bet a minimum of 25 every roll. I'll stack that in the world, and then I'll put winnings up here in the floor. But there's some special things that we'll do from time to time, and those special things would be, for example, when we hit a 2 or 12, we then double up our next bet. And we'll leave that double up out for as long as we can. Another thing that we'll do is we will periodically, after a win, we'll put $50 out. If we win the next roll, then we'll take it back down to 25. That's kind of a double tap where you win twice. All right, here we go. 500 out. Our stack right here, 500, and we'll count that out. I've got one there and 3 left over, so that's 475 with 25 in the field. And let's go. Let's see. In the field bet, remember, there is only 16 ways to win and 20 ways to lose. That is 36. There's 36 total combinations. And 6. That's a loser. And 6 again. And 11. Yo. Since we're doing this challenge, it's just, I'm putting it out there. If I forget, I forget. That's a win. We'll drop it here. And 8. 8 the hard way. That is a loss. And 8. 8 the easy way. Another loss. We have lost $100 so far and only made 25. And 7. That, of course, is a loss. And 3. 3 craps, AC deucey. That's a win. We'll take that racket. And actually, we'll take that and double tap it. And 11 yo. All right, double tap means you put 50 out there, but you take it right back down to your 25 base bet. We're still waiting for the 2 or 12 to hit. And 9, center field 9. And we're catching back up. And 7, that's a loss. Five, no field 5. Eight. Easy way. All right, we have lost 200. and 7. And 5, no field 5. Six the easy way. And 6 the hard way. That's a loss. And 6 the easy way. And 2 craps, acey deucey, or aces. 1 pays 2. We'll rack that up to 50. We'll leave that 50 out until we lose. And 5, no field 5. Well, that didn't take long to lose that. And 2 craps. Again, pays double. We're going with 50. And 9, center field 9. And 5, no field 5. Nine, center field 9. All right, we got some work to do here. And we're going to parlay that. And 5, no field 5. That's a loss. And 7. That's a loser. 10. That last one, I just took one here. I left it. Just being lazy. Pay. Let's parlay that. And 4. Pay that. All right. So I'm going to parlay again. And 10. All right, 1 to 1. We're going to bounce back down to our original bet. And 2 craps, aces. That pays double. I'm going to parlay that though. And 4. All right. We got 75. I'm going to parlay that. Forget it. That's the only way we're going to win if we take risk. And 7. All right. That's out. This is our last. And 10. Let's parlay that. And 8. That's it. If we would have won this, we would have broke even. But we are at 400. Pretty good challenge. You have to know when to parlay, when to take stuff down. If I would have taken that, I think I had 150 out. If I would have taken that back down, we would have definitely been ahead. So that was a good test. You know, the field bet's not all that bad. It gets a bad rap. It's got about a 5% house edge, but very, very interesting. I'd rather do it with my money on my table than try to do that at the casino, because no telling what you're going to get. Okay, so any questions or comments, leave those below the video in the comments. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to Crowdish University, and we'll see you at the tables. Thanks for watching.